we've been working with Sarah on the music, and she's composed this music which gives a beautiful sense of the space and the enormity of the night sky.
The stories being told have a lot of different and interesting themes. We've got stories of heroes, we've got stories of problematic gods, and no character in these stories is fully blameless, or they often have agendas that I try to explore in the music, sort of showing that there's a different side to actions, that the text might be saying one thing and the music sometimes subverts that and gives the audience an inclination of what might be going on underneath it.